a shave with a Bic Easy Rinse, and Solar Citrus Bay Rum coming up next.
Motivation, aggressiveness, discipline, and the fortitude to never say die. That's what it takes to be an airborne soldier.
Ain't that a bitch?
Hey, how's it going? I promised you a head shave, but it's 2 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep. I took a nap this afternoon. All right, we're using Citrus Bay Rum. I just got it yesterday. Thanks to Joe and Sadie. And I got it in my knockoff Yaki bowl I got off of Amazon. And today's brush, I haven't used this in a while. There's no name for this brush, but it comes in like 3 colors. You can get it off I think you can get it off AliExpress. I'm not sure, but it's a Boti handle. I call it Purple Dimension. See the little squares like you go in a haunted house? And it's got an AP 26 millimeter fan knot in it, synthetic. Let's go ahead and get that soaking. How y'all doing? Get that soaking real quick. And let's pull it up. Shave soaps. Want Citrus Bay Rum. Okay, Citrus Bay Rum, triple butter shave soap. A favorite scent of ours is Bay Rum. It's a classic, masculine fragrance that is easily recognizable. Oftentimes, a Bay Rum fragrance will be blended with cinnamon and/or clove oils. I hate cloves. And a lot of people, believe it or not, are allergic to cinnamon. This may make the scent a bit too spicy and off-putting to some. That's not the case with our new Citrus Bay Rum. No clove or cinnamon essential oils needed for this blend. We think it has just the right amount of spice from the West Indian Bay essential oil. Our Citrus Bay Rum is a fresh, spicy, and sweet blend of West Indian Bay, blood orange, pink grapefruit, clary sage, and essential oils. Bet you didn't see the clary sage coming, did you? It ties the spicy and sweet citrus notes together perfectly. Our shave soaps are hand poured. Each jar contains approximately 4 ounces, and it's got 4 reviews. I don't know how to put a review on this thing, Joe. I'm going to try to figure it out. Let's put this here. I'm going to whip up a lather. I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to tell you what's going on, what they done today with the wheel. So stay with me. Okay, we're back. I think we did pretty good. I'd drain out the brush, drain out the bowl, swirl, dip it in my tub right here. A little bit more, dip, a little bit more. This is what I got. Okay, I don't know how many shaves I got on this razor, but I've been shaving with it and putting it in my magnetizer, so if it feels a little dull, I'll change it out. I got 2 other blades. Let's get some water on the hair, on the pipe cleaners, as my wife calls it. Now, I'll put a video and some pictures of the end if you want to watch what they did today. You don't have to watch it, but I thought I'd put it at the end. It's going on good. I like it. Yeah, I took a nap this afternoon. They had to leave because of rain. We had a bad thunderstorm. I think it came at like 4, I don't know. But I slept right through it. Yeah, it's a big knot right here. I don't think I'm lubricated enough. Let's get some Allen block on my hands. Yeah, they came. They ran into a problem. They said, we're only going to be able to drill maybe 50 feet further than the drill you got. But he looked at it after they drilled today. It looks like it's going to be okay. It's going to produce twice. As long as it produces twice as much water we got now, I'll be happy. And the blades are spaced far apart. Getting these bumps right here. I get them. Be careful over them. Yeah, I got the stuff on my neck. But I think they're going to come back today and hook up the pump, hook up the electric, and do a test run, and hook up a shut up. They're going to hook it up to the existing piping, and they're going to give us some shut off valves. Now there's a Bic sensitive I like. It does real well. But there's one called Bic Hybrid. I don't know what it does, but it just irritates me. And you're wondering, why do I shave with a DE classic razor on my face, but I shave with a cartridge on my head? I got shot when I was 17, and I've always had problems with my shoulder. Since I got older, it's gotten worse. You got this water. Alright. Ooh, look at all that gunk. This has got a great aroma. I say the scent strength maybe a 2 out of 5. I don't like my soaps over scented. If I like a soap and it's over scented, I'll put some unscented with it. Oh, that's lathering up really good. I didn't have my muscle shirt. I couldn't find it, so this is all you're gonna get. I'm sorry if you have to look at my hair. I'm very hairy. I'm the only one in my family that's got hairy, and I'm bald. Go figure. Head across the grain. Watch that bump right there. It rinses out real good. We couldn't figure out what we wanted to eat tonight, so we went to Pizza Hut and got us some pizza. Like we needed it, but we got the stuffed crust tonight, and I've noticed last 4 or 5 times we got it, stuffed crust, the cheese in it's like string cheese on the end, on the crust where you pick it up. Now it's not even a fourth of that. I wonder if they're cutting back because Pizza Hut's closing down, stores across the place, and I'd rather have my stuffed crust. If you don't do that, just charge me more. But if you charge more, people get pissed off and they leave. They don't come back to you. Got another bump right there. Alright. I made too much soap again. I'll have to start measuring it like Uncle Lori does. I haven't heard anything from Uncle Lori. I haven't seen him. I don't know if he's. They said he was taking a break. I don't know. He's the master latherer. Let's see what I got. Yeah, I can't stand the smell of clothes at Thanksgiving and a ham. I won't eat it. My dad, when he cooked Thanksgiving dinner, my dad was the cook. My first mom, my original mom wasn't a cook. He cooked this like syrupy glaze you put over it. Oh man, it's so good. My dad cooked the best beef stew in one of those, I don't know, those little square skillets. I don't know if you remember them. All right. This should be the last pass. See what we got. Instagram. That hurts. I think Dad's cooking steak tomorrow. Our cat, she's still here. She's outside. I pulled 3 ticks off of her. So I'm probably going to get some flea powder and douse it in her a little bit. I got 2 of them off. Well, I got 3 ticks. They had the sacks. And I burned one. You can smell the blood. But the other one, the head was still attached to the skin, so I had to pick it out of her, and she went yip or meow. Dogs go yip. Cats go meow. She's a lovable cat. I'm glad I brought her home from the rest area. I think she'll stay. She knows where her water is. She's sleeping on our lounge chairs on our back porch. So I think we're gonna do good. All right, this is what this is why I have to go down. I can't do this with a D razor because my hair grows up on my neck. I think when I was 7 years old, the barber, when I used to see a barber, he had to do a razor on my neck. I started growing chest hair when I was in the 4th grade. Not peach fuzz, black, long hair. And then in the 6th grade, I started growing a little patch on my back. Everybody thought I was weird or something. And this razor don't get as close as a Harry's or anything else, but it's more safer and it's easier to rinse. The blades are not together and you get less cuts. All right. I think we're done. Tonight we watched, you ever seen the pilot episode for Columbo? It was happened in 1968. And I can't remember the guy's name. But he was a prominent actor back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And he had this TV show in the 80s called Burke's Law. And it was about this guy's rich, but he worked for the he was a detective for the Los Angeles Police Department. and he had a chauffeur drive him around, and he put a siren on the hood. It was retarded. It's called Burke's Law. I don't know if you remember that. It was stupid. There's a lot of series in the 80s that were stupid. Alright, that's good now. Okay. Rinse this off. Oh, yeah, 15 minutes. All right. Now we're gonna do our aftershave. This is what I do for my post-shave routine. I'm gonna use Colonel Ichabod Conk's Rio Grande Lavender Bold Blend. I'm gonna put a little squirt right there. That's it. And this is what I do in my post-shave routine too. And just rub it in. That's all I do. That's it. We're good to go. All right, what we use? We use the Citrus Bay Rum by Subtle Art Soaps. My wife gave it a 3, but I like it. I'm probably going to get the aftershave splash. Whipped it up in a knockoff Yaki bowl from Amazon, if I can find the link. Whipped it up in a Boti Purple Dimensions handle with a AP 26 millimeter bow tie knot, or fan knot, fan knot. And we used the Bic Easy Rinse 3-blade. No, it's 4-blade, Did pretty good. And we did our post-shave with Colonel Ichabod Conk Rio Grande Lavender. I keep wanting to say Ariana Grande. And the Thayer sprayer. Alright, well that's all I got. I hope you enjoy the review of the soap. And if you want to watch the videos and pictures in the end, you can. And make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't. I forgot to put I will at the beginning. But thank you for your time, and y'all have a good rest of your wherever you're at. I'm going to get me a shower, and I'm going to take a pill, and I'm going to bed. All right, y'all have a good night. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
You probably can't hear me, but we're drilling now, I think. Not sure what the pool full of concrete is and water. I'm not going to interrupt them hard minute work to find out. So, more later.